Which singer is known as the Queen of Country? Who played the role of Black Widow? Which actor is famous for the role of Deadpool? Who is the founder of Facebook? Who starred as the lead in Wonder Woman?